Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to display and brightness. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display in this menu. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change display mode between light and dark. And in dark mode settings we can schedule the dark mode. Next we can change brightness level of the screen manually or via adaptive brightness. Then we can enable extra brightness. And then we can change motion smoothness of the screen between adaptive and standard. Next, we can enable or disable eye comfort shield, schedule it, and change its temperature. Then we can change screen mode between vivid, natural, and adjust white balance. In advanced settings we can change white balance manually. Then we can change font size and style, enable or disable bold font, and then we can change screen zoom. Next we can enable full screen mode for apps, hide notch, change screen timeout, enable easy mode, edge panels, and change navigation bar between buttons and swipe gestures. Then we can enable or disable accidental touch protection, touch sensitivity, show charging information, and set screensaver in the end. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.